Hello, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I am making a meal from my pantry because it's minus 27-degree wind chill out there and I am not going to the store. So I pulled out 2 pint-sized jars of my chuck roast that I pressure canned up. And I got some egg noodles and some mushrooms and onions. Well, let me just pull you in a little closer and show you how I'm making this. This is my 4-quart Teflon pan. I've got it preheating. I've got 2 pint-sized jars of the chuck roast that I did up during the hashtag Jar It Up January collaboration. Now, you did not see me do this, can it, but it was part of the hamburger one. So I'm thinking about doing some more up. If you're interested, let me know if you want to see how I can up chuck roast. So let's get the lid off of here. Now I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil. Probably about a tablespoon. And then I've got about a tablespoon of real butter. Throw in there. This is my Chef Series knife I just got, and I love it. Anyways, once that's done up, I've pre-cut up 1 onion in dices, and I sliced up probably about a cup of mushrooms. So I'm going to put this right now in the pan. It's bubbling hot now. Stir that around. I'm going to let that cook down for a few. I am going to add to that a little bit of black pepper, a bit of seasoning salt, a little bit of parsley. Let that cook down for a few. Then I will mince up the garlic. I got 2 cloves of garlic. We'll put that in a little bit. So while that's cooking down a little, I'm going to open up my jars. Oh, smell amazing. That little bit of fat on there ain't going to hurt nobody. That's flavor. Nice vacuum. It smells so good. Got down my measuring cup. For some reason my wrists weren't working for me to open these noodles. And I'm going to put in about 4 cups. The rest I'll put my jar back in and seal later. And I salted the water like the sea. Give it a good stir. Go for 10 minutes. Now, in my measuring cup, I'm using my Tupperware spoons. I'm going to put about I'm going to say 4 tablespoons of flour. Okay, I'm going to add about a cup of water to that and stir it up with my whisk because I don't want lumps in there. That's just the flour. That's to help thicken that. Because this flavoring in here with the mushrooms and onion, oh, it's going to be amazing. And then I will add a splash of the whipping cream towards the end. So I got all that ready. So you see what I've done, and then I'm going to put you closer to the pan so you can see how I'm doing. There we go. It's smells amazing. I think it's okay to add the garlic now. Using my Tupperware garlic press. Helps I get that out of my hand. Push it down. It presses out beautifully. Okay, I'm going to cook that for a minute. So that's been boiling. Let it steady simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in there. Now, I already drained the pasta, but I kept a half of a cup of the pasta water, and I'm putting that in there. So let's stir that up. Smells amazing, just saying. Now I'm going to add the flour mixture that we mixed up earlier into the mix. Slowly stir it around. Look at how fast that thickened up, so nice. Now before I add the noodles, you gotta taste it in case it needs more salt or pepper, and it does. It needs a little bit more pepper in there. I'm taking that little dorky lid off there, putting in about that much. And I'm going to put some sea salt in there. Alright, let's stir that around. Give her a try. That looked good. It's good to me. That tastes so good. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this half and half in there. Well, actually whipping cream. If you can't make it any more richer, let's make it a little bit more richer. I don't want to whisk it too much because I don't want to break it up that bad, you know. Alright, let's add the noodles. In with it. Get them all out. Shut off my heat. Fold in the noodles. And that's how I make beef and noodles from my pantry. And let me tell you, it smells amazing. It tastes amazing. Now I always let my noodles absorb some of the gravy. So I let it set about 15-20 minutes before we eat it. I never ever put oil in my noodles when I take them out, and I don't rinse them. So that's why the gravy can absorb the noodle. So there it is. Big beautiful chunks of mushrooms and roast. Just saying. Okay, let's dish some of this up. Smells wonderful. Make a mess. You see what I'm doing? Now I got some parsley that I dehydrated. That smells good too. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit over the top, like so. And that is what we're having for dinner tonight. A little bit of the mushroom and the noodle. Looks amazing. Wow, that's really good. So pulling out this meal out of the pantry and making it up, you've seen how easy it was. I want to thank you for stopping by. And as always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.